So this is an RTC clock module which store the real time and date when a microcontroller is in sleep mode. So here is the problem with this module are it is not synchronized properly with the real time as before stated. It is a problem due to this crystal oscillator. So I am going to replace this crystal oscillator with genuine one from the old laptop motherboard which has the same frequency printed on it, which is I am going to replace with this ordinary simple oscillator. As the disadvantage of this oscillator is it's affected with the temperature, and the SMD oscillator which we are extracted from the motherboard, which has a higher capability working with any environmental condition, and it has a ground support. As before, we don't have the ground support. I am connecting these two pins and third and fourth pin for the ground reference is provide the higher accuracy. As this SMD oscillator I am extracting from the motherboard, it is a genuine part. Now let's look at the time. Now time is 9:34. I set it and I am trying to see, let's see is it working or not. I upload this code in MicroPython in Thony IDE and you can see the real time. Now time is matched perfectly. In this way you can replace for more accuracy this crystal.